Many years ago, the term performance task referred to any test item or task that was not selected response. In other words, an item asking students to write out their responses, no matter how short. Nowadays, we think of a performance task as a more extended activity requiring students to create a significant product or performance demonstrating deeper learning. Here's a definition of deeper learning based on an early definition from the National Research Council. It stresses the application of knowledge and skills to complete complex tasks or solve real-world problems. More recently, the NRC expanded the definition to include the involvement of 21st century cognitive skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and communication, and non-cognitive skills such as student self-direction and collaboration. Think back to Lesson 2, in which formative assessment was defined as a multi-step instructional process, as opposed to an evidence-gathering tool or technique such as a quiz or questioning technique. The same distinction applies here. A performance assessment is multi-step. Here are the steps. A task is administered, engaging the students in some activity or experience. The teacher evaluates the resulting student work products or performances. And the evaluation information is used for formative or summative purposes. Take a look at this definition of a curriculum-embedded performance assessment. As this definition implies, multiple performance tasks are integral parts of an instructional module or unit. This is very different from stopping instruction a few times a year to administer performance tasks from a task bank, tasks that are likely not closely aligned with instruction. Developing a CEPA can be straightforward, as we will see in the next section when we examine a sample CEPA. It's really just lesson planning involving a sequence of coordinated activities.